Hello guys, and welcome to How to Fix. In this video, we're going to handle a new bug that you might find challenging. So let's get started with today's bug. Let's start by executing code 1 to stimulate the error and watch the result. So here's an explanation and how to fix it. Please pause the video to read the explanation. Now we'll debug the code and observe the final output. And voila! The code runs perfectly and our output is just as expected. The error is gone. Well, that wraps up our tutorial for today. If you found value in this video, do remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more coding solution videos. Stay curious, keep learning, and happy coding everyone!